Alrighty, we've had a week from hell at work and the girls needed this. No crowded beaches, no tourist traps, just us. A jungle and a secret cave waterfall. Let's reset. Alright, first things first, pay up. Just kidding, but seriously, the entrance fee here is 15,000 Indonesian rupiah. So it's about $1, super cheap for what we're about to see. We're finally here! Look at that sign and look at this perfect sunny weather. Seriously guys, timing is everything. You don't want to come during rainy season when the cave floods and everything gets super slippery. This is ideal. So, we left Kuta at 5 a.m. and it was so worth it. By coming early, we beat both the crowds and the harsh midday sun. So, first pro tip would be check the weather, pick a sunny day, and for the love of flip-flops, don't wear them. These rocks don't play nice. Well, I mean, so far we haven't seen any crowds, so I think it's a perfect day to start. Sun is nice, perfect feet, perfect weather. Going out with the girls, nourished, in my lane, happy. So, fun fact, we just drove all the way from Kuta to this hidden waterfall in Bali. And let me tell you, after hours of traffic, we're so ready for this. So, Tukad Cepung is located deep in Bali, about 2 hours from Kuta by car. And yeah, it's far, but if you're tired of riding scooters, which almost all people in Bali used to prefer, riding scooter, but you know, hiring a driver or taking a car is the way to go. And yeah, parking was easy, entrance fee is only 15k. A short hike is waiting. The hike down isn't too bad, maybe 10-15 minutes. It's not slippery yet. Yeah, we'll figure out later. So yeah, hold on to the rails, don't be afraid. You'll cross a few small streams, so waterproof shoes are a lifesaver. Oh my goodness, you hear that? The waterfall's closed. Alright, listen up. Here's what you need to know before going down. So, the do's are wear proper shoes, because these rocks are no joke. Bring small bills for entrance fee. I don't think they get QR code, so you need to have a cash. Much preferable, come before 9 a.m. for best lightings and to avoid crowds. And please, don't wear flip-flops unless you want to face plant. And don't touch the offerings, which is sesajian. I'll show you later what that is. And please don't expect a huge waterfall, because this waterfall, it's about the cave vibes. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Is this like the entrance? So we went down. It's quite an inconsistent height of the staircase. Well, just beware of your steps.
Whoa, careful.
Well, the hike is short. It's about 15 minutes down, not bad at all. But please take your time if you've got knee issues. And hey, when you start hearing the water and feeling that cool cave air, you'll know the magic's about to begin. Yep, I thought that was the main waterfall, but that's actually not the main waterfall. We'll see, we'll figure out the best waterfall later. But anyways, look at this jungle. Oh my goodness, it's amazing. So the name Tukad Cepung comes from the local Balinese words, which is Tukad means river, and Cepung refers to a type of bamboo that used to grow here. This waterfall was barely known until Instagram discovered it around 2017. And before that, just locals and a few adventurous backpackers. This is the cave. The cave was formed over 1,000 of years by water erosion. So yeah, you're basically walking inside nature's artwork. Okay, this is where it gets magical. We're inside the cave now, water up to our ankles. Day 17 of our expedition, the climb back to civilization is brutal. Our legs burn, our water supply is low, but we must push forward or risk being trapped in this jungle forever. And I actually kind of regret wearing these running shoes because I'm not sure I've got a proper waterproof boots either, and I'm not keen wearing sandals. Alright, starts getting better, you'll see. What is this place? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I was like, where on earth am I? Oh my goodness, this is amazing. Look at those light rays. I'm in heaven. So this is what I call the main waterfall. It's not massive. But yeah, if you're expecting Niagara, this ain't it. But the combo of the cave, the light rays, and the chill vibe, chef's kiss. See this? Sesajen? It's a little offerings locals leave for good energy. You'll spot them everywhere in Bali. Never touch them, it's part of the culture. It's funny how places like this reset you. No Wi-Fi, no noise, just water, rock and light, exactly what we needed.
Yay!
Alright, reality check. What goes down must come back up. And let me tell you, these stairs feel way steeper on the return trip. So, quick tip for a climb, take it slow, use the handrails, and don't be shy about pausing to admire the view. You know, as known as catch your breath. Trust me, your legs will thank you later. And we made it. And you know what? That climb's the perfect excuse for an extra scoop of gelato later. Priorities, right? Yeah, I'm just saying, if you're in Bali, this is the kind of place that sticks with you, not just the photos, the feeling. So Bali's just not all about Canggu. And yeah, who's ready for the next adventure? Drop a fire in the comments if you want more hidden gems like this. Bye!